Today, I want to speak to you as leader who sense that much of what we call leadership today no longer meets the realities we are facing, not because it's wrong, but because it was shaped for a different time. For many years, I worked with leadership through relationship with people, with animals, and with living systems. What this has shown me again and again is that leadership does not grow or develop to more methods or higher pace. It deepens through presence, responsibility, and the quality of how we relate to ourselves, to others, and to the large whole. This year, I'm opening a founding circle for Leadership Ecology. It's a small, invitation-based group that meets over 1 year. It's not a program, not a course, and not a content library. We meet live in a steady rhythm on Zoom and together with horses at Träfallet in Knvsta to work with leadership as a practice in real situations, ongoing responsibility, and the relationships where leadership is actually exercised. This circle is for leaders who want to take responsibility for their own leadership at a deeper level, for leaders that can hold complexity without simplifying it, and for leaders that are willing to participate with presence rather than performance. Participation requires a clear commitment, integrity, and the willingness to stay engaged over time. Places are limited and the entry is intentional. If this feels relevant to you, you are welcome to read more, or why not reach out for an initial conversation with me. This work is not for everyone, but maybe for you, it will be recognized immediately as an invitation to pause and explore further. So welcome to the Founding Circle for Leadership Ecology.